Eid Mubarak. Should I make oats or should I make pancake? Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi and Jewel, whichever you want to call me, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Boom, 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 boom. Period. Today's Friday. Today was supposed to be Eid. Today's Friday and today was supposed to be Eid, but guess what? It's not Eid till tomorrow in China. I really don't understand what is going on there. I really don't understand why it's not Eid in China today. I went grocery shopping yesterday. We got a lot of different things that we'll be needing for Eid because I'll be hosting my husband's friend for Eid. I actually love cooking. Cooking is one of my love language, and trust me, anytime I have like an opportunity to host people, I'm gonna snatch it and I'm going to overdo myself. So I got a lot of different things. I want to make different food. I want to make jollof rice definitely because that is literally my signature food. So yeah, welcome to the Eid vlog. I always do this every year. I think I've been doing this for 3 years now, but this is my first time doing my Eid vlog. You know, my sisters, my mom, I miss them so bad. So let's see how Eid with my husband goes. Eid as a wife, first Eid as a wife, and that's on period. Yes. Okay, food is ready. I'm going to look for something to watch on YouTube. This is literally the only time lately that I have the time to watch something, most of the time, to watch something on YouTube. I hope the audio is okay. I'm filming on my iPad right now. I'm still eating. Yeah, it takes me like forever to finish my food lately. Like, I'm not just breakfast lately. I'm not just used to eating breakfast anymore because of Ramadan. It's Eid at home, even though it's not Eid here in China. So I'm going to call my mom or my sisters. My other sister too is also home now. And I'm just going to greet them. Let me call my sister and then she'll give the phone to everyone. Amio. You guys should say hi to YouTube. Literally. Tell your TikTok to say hi to my YouTube.
What did you say?
I said I'm having breakfast at 4 o'clock.
Why?
It's so gloomy outside. Like, look at the weather. So gloomy. Ugh. The time is like 4:20 something and it's just gloomy. Chefing it up.
First, put it in the car. I'll probably show you guys later because I'm probably gonna use it today.
Guys, I've had these bottles. They're more than this actually. I have some inside the storage there, but I've had these bottles for so long. This is supposed to be for my spices and I just haven't used them. Like, I haven't just like carry it, I just fill it up. Yes, I just get done doing all this and look how cute. So many different colors, so many different shades. Love it. I also like the fact that everything is now uniform. Everything is the same thing because it was this were inside like a glass container. I don't really have problem with it, but I just want them aesthetically pleasing, and if I can do that, so why not? I've been watching YouTube videos and I already prep my cutting. I'm just waiting for my husband to be like 6 minutes away so I could just like fry the egg and like warm the food because it's going to get cold. I thought it was going to be here like 20 minutes ago, but it was stuck in traffic. So it's dark outside.
Hey, look so crazy, don't mind me.
You don't care like I do. Nowhere This used to be my song. Zobo. I just slick my hair back and this is what it's given. I really don't want anything to keep me waiting tomorrow, so I'm doing like the little things that would actually take time, but are little things like slicking my hair back will take like 15 minutes. So that 15 minutes I'll use it to get ready to do the transition, because right now hi guys, good morning. I kind of look funny right now because my sunscreen is still like soaking into my skin, but I just finished doing my skincare and you know what time it is? Transition time. Eid Mubarak. Actually, me saying Eid Mubarak take me back to when I was at home. My sister and I would always say Eid Mubarak to you guys every morning for my Eid vlog. Eid Mubarak. This transition is done. It's time to get glam. It's time to get glammed. I say this while I'm going to do a 15 makeup routine, 15 minutes makeup routine, 15 makeup routine. Let's get glam. Ooh. I did a lot of skin prep because I want my skin to be skinny, literally. Where is the concealer? Where is the concealer? Like, this is literally my perfect shade.
لا إله إلا الله والله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد. الله أكبر كلما أورق عود وأثمر وحلل محل.
Guys, Eid Mubarak. It's raining. Let's go find my husband.
Yeah, this angle is crazy. Yes, perfect.
For YouTube. Walaikum salam halachi.
Yeah.
Hello. We just got back. Actually, we've been back for a while now, but I just picked up the camera. Like, I needed a moment. There's a lot that I really want to cook, but I'm not sure I'm going to be able to cook everything. And if I'm unable to cook everything, it's fine. I just need to cook like the main thing. Yeah, like I just really want to cook like the main thing. So I'm making jollof rice, I'm making banana bread. I really want to make banana bread though, and I'm starting with banana bread and jollof rice. Banana bread, jollof rice, suya, grilled chicken, shawarma. I'm not really sure I'll be doing shawarma, but let's see how it goes. And what else? I think that is all. I'm making zobo. I'm making juice, carrot juice. banana bread is ready. Don't judge actually, because it's supposed to look like banana bread, but it looks like cake, but it tastes like banana bread. That's because this is the only thing that I have that I could use to bake. So, and it tastes so good. I've tasted it from this. Okay, this is soya. Good evening, guys. The time is currently like I already washed my hands. The time is currently 9 something. I just woke up. I woke up some minute ago. I slept off literally. I'm running on just 3 hours of sleep because I slept late yesterday, and then I've been up since 5. 5. I've been up since 4:50 a.m. Yeah. So I took like a 2 hour nap. I think I slept around, I can't remember, maybe 6 o'clock. So I think that was 3 hours, actually almost 4, which was really so good. So my makeup looks so crazy because I slept with my makeup on. I didn't actually like take my makeup off. My eyes look so crazy right now. I just washed my face with this simple, refreshing facial cleanser. Like this just like melts my makeup. Now I'll go in with this one. This foamy wash, or I would go in with the CeraVe cleansing gel, cleansing foamy whatever. My husband used like almost use the same skincare product, which is really good because most of my skincare I'm not gonna be buying them. I have to get the dark spots thing myself. I have to get the toner, I have to get my moisturizer, I have to get my own serum, and my skincare routine is not going to be this long. By the time my skin is good, I just want this dark spot out, and I have like, I don't know if you guys can see it, few pores, open pores. So that's why I'm using like 5 skincare. So once all that is gone, I'm going to stick to face wash, moisturizer, maybe serum, because I really love serum. I just like the glow that it gives. It's like an hydrating serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen, and that'll be it. And it was really fun. Went to eat in this very beautiful ancient mosque. I think it's the first mosque built in China. I don't know. I'm going to have to reconfirm that before spreading fake or like false rumor. So I think so, but it's really nice. I met a lot of cute and beautiful and pretty girls. Guys, people are pretty. I connected with few, and I think I have a friend now, and I'm so happy. Like I don't know, no shade to my friend, but I've never been this eager to have a friend in a particular place before. When I went to school, I wasn't eager. When I was in secondary school, I wasn't eager. When I was learning tailoring, I wasn't eager. Like anywhere I go, I'm not like, oh, I want friend, I want friend, I want friend, because like I have my sisters, you know. So my sisters and I will go anywhere that I want to go, but because I don't have them here and I have my husband, which I also like, I'm grateful for. This is wash. I need to brush my teeth too, but I still want to eat because I generally eat much. Yeah, because I wasn't really hungry. I was just tired. I just wanted to sleep. I'm going to go now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you'd like to see on my channel. I know I'll definitely do it for you guys. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Please, you're the best. I love you. And I'll see you in my next video. Ciao. Bestie.
Only been days, but it felt like months. When gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.